Jupiter needs 80x mass. Become brown dwarf. Jupiter is star-like, emitting 67% heat beyond receive. Jupiter's birth contraction heat lingers 20,000 degrees inside, hot enough to ionize hydrogen, not fuse. Jupiter's core, 40 million atmosphere pressure. Fusion needs 10 million. Jupiter below, at 8% sun mass, Jupiter becomes a red, then gravity shifts. Earth's orbit stability suffers badly. Jupiter, 0.1% of the Sun, clears asteroids. Spared. 2016 Juno found metallic hydrogen in Jupiter, powering a magnetic field 20,000 multiplied by Earth's field traps particles, forming lethal belts, shielding Jupiter's moons. Near Jupiter, radiation shreds DNA in minutes. It's 1,000 multiplied. 1995, Galileo lasted 58, destroyed. 2022 Juno saw belts intensify. Jupiter's wilder, spins every 10 hours, winds twice sound, rotation flattens Jupiter, equator 9,000 kilometers wider than poles, colorful bands, superjet stripes conceal great red spot, storm raged 350 years, once 3 Earths across, had since. In 2023, Hubble found nested storms under Great Red Spot. Deep storms, 800 degrees hotter than surface. Absurd. Scarier. Jupiter lightning. Juno saw 200 at minus 88 degrees Celsius aloft. Ammonia antifreeze lets icy water. Each bolt dwarfs Earth's storms. Jupiter is Earth's guardian. Shoemaker-Levy 9 split. 21 pieces hit Jupiter. 40 trillion ton TNT impact. 50 Hiroshimas each second for a year. If comet hit, 70. Jupiter healed in 3 months without it. Earth's fatal impacts 1,000 multiplied by Jupiter. 318 Earths. Vacuums up most in Jupiter's 780 million km distance blocks asteroids, yet spares Earth's. Jupiter's 95 moons form a mini solar system. Europa may host life. Beneath ice lies double Earth's ocean water. 2024 JWST found organics. Life sign. NASA's 2030 Europa Clipper probes. Finding life would change universe. Io is hell. 400 plus volcanoes. Sulfur jets 500 kilometers. Jupiter needs it molten. 2023 Juno beamed images. Jupiter's north has 8 cyclones. Octagon ring pattern south 6. Hexagon. Geometric patterns baffle scientists. Driven by unseen forces, Jupiter protects Earth, shaping solar system. Young Jupiter moved inward, nearly wrecked all, retreated. If Jupiter didn't stop, Mars, Earth, Venus destabilized. What held paradox? Storm King, gentle guardian. Gravity shreds all, yet balance it. It nearly became a star but failed, giving Earth space. Every trait feels designed. Cosmic miracle. A failed star sparked life on a blue world. We gaze, seeking secret.